Good morning, grade 4. So our lesson for today is about capitalization and abbreviations. Ready to study with me? Okay. So these are the essential questions that we need to know the answer at the end of this lesson. What are abbreviations? What are they used for? What are the rules for capitalization? Can anyone give me the answer? Again, what are abbreviations? Very good. So, what are they used for? Nice idea. So, can you give me what are the rules for capitalization? Good job. So, let's move on for us to find out if all your answers are correct. So, what is abbreviation? Abbreviation is a shortened form of a written word. Abbreviations save time and space in writing. So here are some of the examples for us to know how we are going to shorten a long-term word so that it will be an abbreviation. Example number 1, 231 South Main Street. So which of these words are we going to abbreviate? Very good. So it is the street. So it will be 231 Main Street. You see, street is not written as S-T-R-E-E-T anymore. It was written as S-T followed by a dot or a period. Next, let's have the second example. Apartment 2B. In this example, which one are we going to abbreviate? Is it apartment or 2B? Let's find out the answer. Very good. So it is apartment. So how are we going to abbreviate apartment? Anyone who can give me the answer? Good job. So it should be written as APT dot or period 2B. Is it clear? Well done. So let's have the third example. Sunset Boulevard. How are we going to abbreviate the word sunset or the word boulevard? Which among these two are we going to abbreviate? Sunset or boulevard? Good job. So it is boulevard. And how are we going to abbreviate the word boulevard? Awesome. So it will be Sunset Boulevard. We're going to write it as BLVD followed by a dot or a period. So the abbreviated word for the word street is ST period. Apartment APT period. Boulevard BLVD and period. So here are some or more examples on how we are going to do the abbreviation. So this time we are going to abbreviate for different addresses. So study this list of abbreviations for addresses. Notice the period at the end of each abbreviation. So as you can observe, when we are doing abbreviation, we need to put a period at the end of each abbreviated word. For example, street. The abbreviation word for this is ST followed by a period. Road, RD followed by a period. Avenue, AVE followed by a period. Boulevard, BLVD followed by a period. Parkway is PKWY followed by a period. Drive, DR followed by a period. Lane, LN followed by a period. Place, PL followed by a period. South, S followed by a period. North, N followed by a period. West, W followed by a period. East, E followed by a period. And apartment as APT followed by a period. Alright, grade 4, let's keep moving. Now let's have the abbreviations for the days of the week. So we have 7 days in a week, namely Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So how are we going to abbreviate Sunday? Very good. It's SUN followed by a period. How about Monday? Very good. MON followed by a period. Anyone who can give me the abbreviation for Tuesday? Very good. TUES followed by a period. How about Wednesday? Good job. WED followed by a period. Next, Thursday. Very good. THURS followed by a period. How about Friday? Very good. FRI followed by a period. And the last is Saturday. How are we going to abbreviate Saturday? Very good. SAT followed by a period. Good job, grade 4. Now let's have the months of the year. How many months do we have in 1 year? Fabulous. We have 12 months in the year, namely January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So what is the abbreviation for January? Very good. JAN followed by a period. How about February? Excellent. FEB followed by a period. How about March? Very good. MAR followed by a period. What is the abbreviation for April? Awesome. APR followed by a period. What is the abbreviation for May? Is there any abbreviation for May? Very good. It will be the same because it's too short for us to abbreviate it. How about June? Very good. It will be the same because it's too short for us to abbreviate. How about July? Awesome. So it will remain the same because it's too short to be abbreviated. So May, June, and July, there is no abbreviation for these months because they are too short for us to abbreviate it. Now let's move on with August. How are we going to abbreviate August? Excellent! AUG followed by a period. How about September? Very good. SEPT followed by a period. How about October? Very good. OCT followed by a period. Next, November. Anyone who can abbreviate it? Very good. It's NOV followed by a period. And the last month of the year? December. How are we going to do the abbreviated form for December? Very good. DEC followed by a period. Well done. Great. Now let's move on with the abbreviations of measurement. So let's have the unit of measure words. So we have inch, foot, yard, mile, pint, quart, gallon, second, minute, pound, centimeter, and gram. So what is the unit of measurement for these abbreviated words? Okay, grade 4, Now, let's continue our discussion. Let's have the abbreviations of titles before names. So the first one, we use the title Miss, M-I-S-S, for single woman. Example, Miss Celia T. Rain. We also use MS followed by a period for single or married woman. Example, Miss MS followed by a period, Diane Y. Kaplan. MRS followed by a period for Mrs., which means married woman. So example, Mrs. MRS followed by a period, Mary Tanner. Mr., which is spelled as MR followed by a period for a single or married man. Example, Mr. Robert J. Johnson. DR for doctors and dentists. Dr. Clara C. Carton. Gov, G-O-V followed by a period for some government leaders. Example, Gov. Ella T. Grasso. CAPT for captain for some leaders of groups. Example, Captain Eric F. Condon. REV, which means reverend, for some religious leaders. Example, Reverend Lester Q. Danning. Okay, here are more. Let's have some practice. Which address below is written using the correct abbreviation? Is it letter A, 395 Rockview Street, Knoxville, Tennessee, 36897, or the letter B, which is 395 Rockview Street, Knoxville, Tennessee, 36891? What is your answer? A or B? Very good. So we have the same answer. Next. Molly needed 1 hour and 30 minutes to go to the library. Which of the following is the correct abbreviation for hour? Is it A, B, C, or D? Very good. Excellent job. Okay, kids. So now let's have some rules for capitalizing proper nouns. The rule says, capitalize the first word and every important word of a proper noun. Proper nouns name particular persons, places, or things. Names of magazines, newspapers, works of art, musical compositions, and organizations are proper nouns. Remember, particular means specific or exact. For example, we have Alice Vander. As you can observe, each first name, the beginning or the first word is written in capital letter. The letter A for Alice and the letter V for Vander. For the second word, we have pro football. As you can observe, P is capitalized, same as with F. Hall of Fame. As you can see, H is capitalized and F as well. Let's have more example. People Weekly, New York Times, the Mona Lisa. So these are some examples of proper noun wherein the beginning or the first word, which is very important, is capitalized. People Weekly, P and W are written in capital letters. New York Times, NYT is written in capital letters. But in the Mona Lisa, the letter T is written in the small letter as it's because it's an article and it doesn't name a proper noun. M and L, which stands for Mona and Lisa, are proper noun. That's why they are written in capital letter. We have more examples here. Swan Lake, Sierra Club, and English Club. As you can observe, every word that is written here are capitalized, for it is a proper noun. Swan Lake, S and L, Sierra Club, S and C, and English Club for E and C. So these are some of the important rules in doing a capitalization when it comes to proper nouns. I hope you understand it well. Okay, girls, let's keep moving. Always remember to capitalize the first letter of an abbreviation. Capitalize both letters in a state postal abbreviation. Example, 227 Topeka Avenue. Avenue is the abbreviated word. So we capitalize A and followed by a period at the end of E. Fargo, ND. ND is the state postal abbreviation. Capitalize days of the week, months of the year, and holidays. See, we capitalize M for Monday, N for November, and MD for Memorial Holiday. So let's have more. Capitalize the titles that are used before people's name. Example, Coach and Mrs. Warmer asked us to come to their house. Wherein, as you can observe, C is the capital letter because it's the beginning of the sentence, and Mrs. M is capitalized as well because it is the title that we use for warmer. Very good. We also capitalize the first word in a direct quotation. Open quotation mark. The football game was so exciting. Close quotation mark. She said. As you can see, T is capitalized because it is the first word in this direct quotation. So I have here some exercises that you need to complete. So you are going to complete each sentence with the correct abbreviation. Just choose between A and B. Number 1, Mr. was M, capital M and small r, or letter B, small m and small r. Blank Ted Jones plays golf. Number 2, Blank is a good doctor. So what is the abbreviation for doctor? Number 3, Blank is a dancer. Number 4, Blank Allen King is a young general. And number 5, Blank Joy Smith is my manager. Keep going. So now, I want you to rewrite each sentence. Use correct capitalization. Number 1, he competed at the Summer Olympics in Sweden. Number 2, Andy's father, Mr. Warner, drove us there one Saturday last August. I will give you 2 minutes to answer this. Very good. Number 3, find out more different United States Olympic organizations. I will check your work once you're done. Keep going. Number 4, the principal visited the language arts class last week. And number 5, the president of our student council does well in science class. Work well. Now, let's have more exercises. Did you finish your work? Let us check it together. Number 1, blank Ted Jones plays golf. If your answer is A, you're correct. Number 2, blank is a good doctor. If your answer is letter B, you're correct. Number 3, blank is a good dancer. If your answer is A, you're excellent. Number 4, blank Allen King is a young general. If your answer is B, you're awesome. And number 5, blank Joy Smith is my manager. If your answer is A, wonderful. Good job, girls.